I would like an important moment from someone's life. Oh, Visa got first diagnosis? Never had that one before. Don't know what the diagnosis is? I guess we'll find out! Give her a big round of applause to begin Time Warp!
Hi, Mum.
Oh.
Yeah. I've booked as a
table at Zizi's?
Yeah, table at Zizi's.
Lovely. Crunch! Jonathan.
Hi.
Good to see you again. You might want to sit down for this.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right.
The test results...
Sorry.
Actually, Jonathan, on second thoughts, perhaps just stand there.
Okay. I can do this though. I know I probably need a diagnosis for this, but I can do this. I can't do it, Doctor. I just can't sit on chairs.
Well, that's pretty much what I was going to tell you. Look, there are many ways to tackle this, okay?
Yeah.
There's expensive treatments that we can go through, or, well, you've opted for the second option.
Do it. Do it, Doctor.
No, don't move.
Okay. Doctor, it half worked. I just didn't sit on the right chair.
I know.
I want to sit on that chair.
Well, there's many years before you'll achieve that.
Okay, it's just me by myself in my room. And it's just a chair. You just have to sit on this chair. I'm not even going to think about it.
Son!
God!
You did it!
Oh.
No. Sorry. It's me, your father. I was just unmuting my microphone.
I just sat on the chair!
I saw!
I just sat on the chair!
I wish your mother was alive to see this.
Ever since she died in that
Terrible chair.
Hello and welcome to this meeting for people who don't know how to sit on chairs properly. Please, everyone, take a seat. We all are working so hard with our diagnoses. And Barry here has done amazing work.
I did some really good steps and then I just fell back a little bit.
You did actually sit on a chair properly, didn't you?
It just wasn't, yes.
That's amazing. What was that like? And you've proven through your story
I feel like a split second happened and something weird happened. It wasn't sound like this a split second ago.
That's just one of your tics, okay?
Right, okay, yeah.
But you've shown us that our issue is not physical. Or it's not something wrong with our brain. It's something that happened in our past. If we could all get through that moment, like your mum dying when she sat down at Zizi's. I don't know why I can't sit on chairs properly.
What happened to you?
I don't know. But you're a hope. Are you laughing?
No, just
What?
Hey, why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Hey, this is a safe space! Look at you! You look like an idiot!
Jonathan, you can come in.
I'm already in.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there.
Yeah.
Take a seat.
Sure.
And scene, give her a